Hello everyone. Today, we will bring you the installation demonstration video for Dazuma's modern double head. Before installation, make sure the power to the installation. Package contents: 1 accessory pack, 1 ground wire, 1 white wire connector, 1 mounting plate, 1 canopy, 2 high brightness bulbs, 2 transparent frosted glass shades, and 1 socket system. Step 1. Remove 1 fixing ring and 1 fixing nut from the power wire port of the socket system. Step 2. Install the canopy onto the power wire port of the socket system. Then connect the ground wire together with the blue neutral wire and brown live wire. Step 3. Reinstall the fixing ring and fixing nut removed in Step 1 back into place in order. Step 4. Install 1 high brightness bulb into 1 socket of the socket system. Then install 1 transparent frosted glass shade onto the fixture. Step 5. Install the other high brightness bulb into the second socket of the socket system. Then install the other transparent frosty glass. Step 6. Remove the 2 fixing screws from both ends of the mounting plate. Step 7. Place the mounting plate onto the wall where you plan to install the product. Then mark the positions and drill the holes. Step 8. Install the 2 wall anchors from the accessory pack into the holes one by one. Step 9. Install and secure the mounting plate to the wall using the 2 screws from the accessory pack. Step 10. Connect the fixture wires to your wire connectors. The blue fixture wire connects to your white neutral wire. The brown fixture wire connects to your black live wire. The copper ground wire connects to your copper ground wire. Step 11. Install the fixture body onto the mounting plate. Make sure the holes on both sides of the fixture body align with the holes on both ends of the mounting plate. Then reinstall the 2 fixing screws removed from the mounting plate in Step 6. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.